Let's understand today what we are going to develop. The game would display a word whose letters are randomly arranged. The player has to guess the word and type the spelling in the field box correctly. If the player does the work correctly, the game would display a message that he or she has won the game. This game can be played multiple times. As we have recognized the problem statement, so let's start coding. First, import the necessary libraries. Tkinter library will be used to design the GUI window for the game. The random module will randomly choose any word from the given list. A message box will be used to display the message, whether the player has given correct or incorrect input. Declare a list of words and provide any words of your choice. A random number will be generated by the random function from 0 to the number less than the length of the list, whose value will be stored in word variable. According to the index chosen, a word from the list will be selected and stored in a string variable. By using the sample function, we will shuffle the letters of the words. For the player, it will seem his word has been jumbled. Now we will display a new window whose title will be Jumble Word Game. The output of the window is given below. In the first row, label 1 will be used to display the jumbled word. In the second row, a field box will be provided to enter the word. In the last row, we will have two buttons, Submit and Try Again, whose background will be gray. In the end, the main loop method will be used to display the window until player closes it manually. After hitting the submit button, the check function will be invoked. If the player enters the word correctly, then a message box will be displayed saying that you have guessed the word correctly, otherwise it will request you to think about what you have guessed. After hitting the Try Again button, Resume function will be executed. The current window will get destroyed, and Game function will start again. Place all the code written till now in the Game function. Later on, you will understand why I did so. We want a new window to give an instance that the game has been started. The output of the window has been given below. A label will be used for the player telling that if he or she wants to begin, just click the play button. A play button will be included in this window. Play button will execute the game function. If it is clicked, this window should be destroyed in the beginning because it will be displayed only for one time. I hope you all liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care and have a good day.